Meaning of deviant.
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 Deviant. Deviant is an adjective that describes something or someone who deviates from the norm or accepted standards. The term is often used to refer to behaviors, beliefs, or practices that are considered unusual, abnormal, or different from what is considered normal or acceptable. Deviant behavior may include illegal activities such as theft or drug use, as well as socially unacceptable actions such as bullying or cheating. Overall, deviant behavior is viewed negatively by society and may result in social stigmatization, legal consequences, or other negative outcomes.